now we are in day 7 on the renovation of the restaurant, bar. Now TV fans are open. Here out it's pretty finished. Still painting job and a little electric just behind the bar. And the kitchen they are working in now. The rain season should be over because now it's near December, but today it was a really big rain. And the renovation of the bar going good. Bar and restaurant. It's pretty finished, little shelves inside there. They're working in the kitchen now and making the tiles. The last one in where the sink and everything is going to be. Start to deep clean. Hopefully tomorrow we can start to clean up really good here. Also the toilet, paint and little new things, new shower there, things, but yeah, little Khmer style, but it's gonna probably be good. Tomorrow we're gonna start to call around all the furniture that we have ordered. So hopefully they come on Thursday and then open on Friday, hopefully. And now we get closer to the opening. We get a lot of things now. All the furniture, almost all the furniture have come. And we're missing a little fridge. Today cleaning the kitchen.
Old Papa, 3 old man, 3 tea.
4 o'clock in the morning in Phnom Penh. First day. Open. Open 5:30. It's not 100% finished, but we open a little soft opening. I think we have everything in place. Kitchen is get pretty good. Little more in the bar. Need to look a little more full and maybe some drawings or some art on the walls. So now the restaurant is open and it's pretty close. Down there we have the riverside and starting to look good. Khmer style. I like a lot of colors and lights, but I put in a little Western furniture. But the menu is only Khmer until Phnom Penh fills up with the tourists. Pretty satisfying. And the kitchen. And this happened today. I have guys that install the parabol. They go up on the roof and look. They broke right through the ceiling and they only left. Here in Cambodia it's like, they say all roof. Then they only go and I had to pay them for the installation anyway. That's right.